Well, there's waterfalls. Wait, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. There you go.
Anytime he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But it doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all. 'Cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Little precious has a natural obsession for temptation that he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a look in the mirror, and he doesn't recognize himself anymore. He's like this thing, and he doesn't know why. He never took into his final resting vision. Don't give me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast.
Alright, you don't have